Good morning, and welcome to episode 256 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkin, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Christmas Eve, Wednesday, December 24th, 2025. At this time of year, we all hope for peace around the world. Unfortunately, in 2025, we're bound to be disappointed with tensions still elevated in Ukraine, Venezuela, Gaza, and other regions around the world. In 2025, peace is still very much a hope and not a reality. We did get some encouraging news yesterday about the U.S. economy. It was said to have grown by an annualized rate of 4.3%, and that was fueled mainly by consumer spending. Meanwhile, the precious metals continue to surge. The metals, three of the four metals, gold, silver, and platinum, closed yesterday at new all-time highs, and palladium isn't very far from its all-time high of about $2,300 an ounce. Let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers and see the progress in the precious metals prices over the past week. Gold is up 3.9%, trading at $4,487.60. It was $4,317.40 last week. Silver, big mover, was up 9.4% last week, trading currently at $72.10 an ounce. It was $65.92 an ounce last week. Your big winner last week was platinum. It's up 19.8%, trading at $2,309 an ounce. It was $19.28 an ounce last week. And palladium, not too shabby, up 11.5%, trading at $1,844 an ounce. It was $1,654 an ounce last week. With silver outperforming gold, your gold-silver ratio inched down further. So the number of ounces of silver it takes to buy an ounce of gold today is at 62.24. Last week it stood at 65.49. And the U.S. dollar, as expected and as forecast here, continues to weaken. We are in a clear weakening trend for the U.S. dollar, trading against its major trading partners at 97.87. It was 98.61 a week ago. So this has been an incredible year, not just for precious metals, but for all assets. Even though we've seen a bit of a pullback in Bitcoin here recently, that was up significantly earlier on this year. The Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ are all up. So the Dow for the year thus far is up about 14%. The S&P 500 is up about 17%, and the NASDAQ is up about 22%. But that just absolutely pales in comparison to what we're seeing in precious metals. So for the year, gold is up 71%. Silver is up 147%. Platinum up 157%. And palladium up 101%. And folks, believe me, this will continue. We do not have any will in Congress to balance a budget. We will overspend. We will cover that shortfall by expanding the money supply. We will make every dollar in circulation weaker or worth less, and it will take more of them to buy anything of value, especially precious metals. So as we look forward to 2026, if you do not have your allocations, you should go ahead and buy and get them set. If your portion of your portfolio is for profit, not for insurance, consider taking some profits on these peaks and buying well on the dips. Nothing suggests that this bull market is coming to an end, so continue to take advantage of it. As always, we'd like you to go ahead and follow us on social media. Join or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us. Send us your comments and questions. Take our twice weekly Always Something Interesting alerts and our once monthly information line newsletter. And at this time, we hope that you spend the holiday, the Christmas holiday, with your family, your friends. You have a peaceful, wonderful, happy, enjoyable, stress-free time with your family, and then come back ready to work and see those profits rise in your precious metals in the new year. But in the end, don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.